Hi, welcome back to Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Andrew Zhang and this is Fine Little Chef. Today we'll be making 1 to 2 minute microwavable mug cakes. Okay, so let's get started. So for the first mug cake, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 full tablespoons of sugar, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt. Now we are going to add the liquid ingredient. 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then mix. Add as many chocolate chips as you want. Mix. After you're done mixing, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And that's the first recipe. The next mug cake is the best one out of all. Add 1 egg, then add 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of any oil, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then mix it very well. Once you're done mixing, microwave it for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Once you microwaved it, you can add powdered sugar for decorations. The next mug cake is the third and last one. First, add 1/6 cup of flour, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar and brown sugar. Then mix. Then add 1/8 cup of milk, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, then mix it again.
I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh.